In the previous video, we learned about the tokenization process. The tokenization is breaking down a sentence or a document into smaller tokens or words. Now, next we will learn about stopwords removal. So, first of all, let's understand what is stopwords. So, in every language, there are some set of words which will repeat a lot in your sentence, okay, but they do not add much information to the context or towards the meaning of the sentence. So let me repeat that again. Stop words are a set of words uh, that will repeat a lot in your sentence or in your document, but they do not add much meaning or do not add much context in that particular sentence. So, for example, I am very happy today. Play party music. Now, in this particular sentence, there are two major things. One is the emotion of the person, which is the person is very happy today. And the second is there is an instruction, there is a direction where I want my machine to play party music, right? So, in this particular document, there are certain words which are not so important. There are some stop words which are not very important. For example, I am. These are stop words. These are not really important and they are not adding much meaning in this particular sentence, right? So, if I can see very happy today, play party music, so that's enough for a machine. Okay, that's enough for me to tell the machine that what is my emotion and what I want to listen to, or what I want the machine to do. I and M is not really very important there. So this step is known as stop word removal or stop words removal. And let me show you that in code. So first of all, I need to get the set of stop words. For that, I will download the stop words. I have to download this particular file. I'll download this using NLTK. But again, as I said, you have to do it only once. For me, it is already done. So I'm commenting this code, but you guys have to run this at least once. Then we will import from nltk.corpus import stopwords. And then we will mention which stopwords we need. So right now I need the English stopwords and I'm storing it in a variable. And let me print the stopwords and show you. And not just English, we can also get the stopwords for other language as well. But right now let's focus on English. So as you can see, guys, these are the English stopwords. I, me, myself, we, our, ours, ourself, and so on and so forth. Okay. So these are the set of stopwords. Now, in order to remove the stopwords from the set of tokens that we have, this is the set of tokens we have. For that, I'm using list comprehension. So as you can see, that list comprehension code. So T for T in tokens. That means I'm iterating over each and every token here. Okay, I'm iterating over each and every token here. And then I'm checking whether that token is present in stopwords or not. Okay, whether the token is present in stopwords or not. And if it is present in the stopwords, then I'm not considering that. Then I'm not considering that stopword or I'm removing that word. So that's the logic of this particular list comprehension. T for T in tokens, if T not in stopword. So I'm saying if the T is not present in stopword, then only keep it or else remove it. And let's print the clean tokens. Here you can see these are the set of clean tokens and all the stopwords have been removed. If you see the length, right now it is 54. The previous length was 73. Okay, so you can see that there are so many stopwords have been removed. So the length goes from 73 to 54. Now, before concluding this video, there's one more thing that I would like to discuss, that is punctuation. So not only just the stop words, I would also like to remove the punctuations or the special symbols. So for that, you don't need NLTK library. Punctuations are directly available from this package called string. So we are importing punctuation, and as you can see, I'm printing the punctuation. It is actually a string, okay? And once again, I will use the same logic, the same list comprehension logic to remove the punctuation, but only small change over here. That is, since the punctuation is in the form of string, we are converting that into a list, and after that we are performing the list comprehension. So what is the list? What is this list comprehension doing? As usual, it is iterating over this particular tokens, and wherever there is a punctuation, it is removing that. So if you see the final outcome, now this particular set of tokens is free of all the punctuations. And if you see the length, now it is 43. So many punctuations or special symbols have been removed, and now you're only left with 43 tokens. We'll see more steps that are used in pre-processing, text pre-processing in the next video.